Imagine making money while you sleep. This is the power of digital assets. Systems that work for you 24/7. You build it once, and it keeps paying you again and again. Everything runs automatically, without your constant effort. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection to start. Create digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. Your website becomes an asset, working even when you're offline. As your traffic grows, your income grows with it. Imagine waking up to payment notifications on your phone. Promote products and earn commission on every sale. Schedule content once and let it work for you daily. This is how you buy back your time and live freely. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Build a system that turns visitors into customers automatically. Emails can sell for you, even while you sleep. Every big income starts with a simple idea. Once it works, you can scale it to the next level. Work from anywhere and enjoy financial freedom. While you sleep,